Have you guys been noticing something lately with a lot of the wig companies? I have been noticing that they are listening to us. For those of us who love the volume, when you take these wigs out of the bag, they are practically just ready to go. You may have to cut the lace like I just did on this one, but look at, I have not done anything, you guys. I literally cut the lace and put it on. There is no added heat, no nothing. This is stunning. I'm so happy to see them listening. Okay, so you're wondering who this one might be? What is her name, you might ask? This is KATERINA, and she is from IMSTYLE Wigs. Look at the coloring. She has got a dark rooting, but she's got that platinum kind of built right into there. Blended into it is what I'm trying to say. But take a look at that. She's a 13 by 3, so you have a 3-inch space area to play with, but look at her. Okay, let's turn around. So front, left side, back, right side, and front. Look at the length of her, look at the color of her. She is a gorgeous blend of warm and cool blondes, like stunning, absolutely stunning. And the layering on her is just so nice. Let's see what the density is. I want to say she's 130, 135. She's beautiful. Okay, let's do some details on KATERINA. She is, like I said, she's a 13 by 3 free part, and she is 26 inches long. And they're just calling her a golden blonde with highlight and dark root. Okay, but you do have the cool blondes in this to give it that beautiful dimension that they have got in here. Wow. Okay, so it is an average size cap, and their cap's average size is 21 to 23. And, you know, it all depends on your circumference measurements. From ear to ear, over the head, you know, all of the above. But she is very comfortable. I am a 22-inch. I do have the adjuster straps in, okay? But she fits super comfortably. Very, very light to wear. And her fibers are amazing. She is a heat-friendly, high-quality Futura fiber. So you can also use heat on this. And they say up to, what do they say on this one? Keep the setting under 120 degrees Celsius or 250 Fahrenheit. But always, you guys, test strand, test strand, test strand, so you do not damage your beautiful hair, okay? Yeah, so she has got a lot of layers in her. I love the face framing. Okay, let's get her into a center part here, see what she looks like. Okay, look at that. So you have these beautiful face framing money piece that you could have fun curling or whatever you want to. I think she's stunning just as is. I really don't think you need to do anything to this one. She's gorgeous. Okay, so yeah, so this is KATERINA. Let's go outside and take a look at her in the daylight, and we'll be right back. Okay, this is KATERINA outside in the shade. Take a look at the hairline. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. And then let's get into the sunshine so you guys can see that coloring. Isn't she pretty? So this is KATERINA from IMSTYLE Wigs, and she's gorgeous. Absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. And the fibers are amazing. So have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you guys soon.